Hello and welcome to Coaster Gents, and today we're travelling from Staffordshire in the UK to Orlando, Florida. So in this travel vlog, we'll be travelling from London, England, travelling from the airport at Gatwick to Tampa International Airport and then driving to Orlando. So we'll be staying in the Rosen Inn at Point Orlando and doing every single theme park such as Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Animal Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, Typhoon Lagoon, Islands of Adventure, Universal, Volcano Bay, SeaWorld, Discovery Cove, and so many more, as well as Halloween events such as Halloween Horror Nights and Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. So in this travel vlog, we're going to be taking you on the journey from Staffordshire by Alton Towers, all the way down to Gatwick, the Premier Inn, the flight, the travel, just everything. But as you may be thinking, we're actually already at Orlando, so it's time to do a little rewind. It looks like a quite nice room. We've got a big double bed and two single beds here. We've got a desk with loads of like areas and stuff. I'll give you a bit of a room tour in just a moment, but it did take 4 hours to get down here to Gatwick, which was quite a while due to the traffic on the M25. But we're here now. We're gonna go and get some dinner and then rest up for tomorrow, which is the flight to Florida. No one will probably sleep because we're just too excited. But yeah, I'll give you a quick room tour now and then we'll head over to the pub and restaurant. So we've got a nice mirror and some storage space around here. The big bed and two single beds. Unfortunately, there's no plugs on the side though, which is a bit of a shame to charging things. But here's the ensuite. So we've got the toilet, a sink and shower, just the usual. All the hair and body gel is already in here, so it's not in little bottles. Got the desk area. Sorry about all the mess. It's just because obviously we chucked all the stuff in, got some food. Going to get some food and then we're going straight in early in the morning, so we're just eating at the Gatwick Manor now, which is the restaurant just next to the Premier Inn. Just to let you know, they do stop serving food at 6 and all the tables are bookings only and all reserved, except for one little bit that is walk-ins, but that wasn't communicated to us, so just be aware of that. But here's a little look at the menu. It does all look very pricey, but there is no other food. no one got stopped except for one because he had his.
Yeah, well, I didn't know you couldn't fetch petrol through.
He didn't really fetch petrol, just his bracelets and watch and stuff. So we obviously beeped. But we're going to head into the duty free now, and we're going to wait until our boarding is called. So let's share. So the first meal is now here, and we've got the vegetarian bean chili with herb rice. The other option was chicken and rice, which is a chicken curry. We've also got a strawberry tart, whatever this thing is, little bread, butter, crackers. Food all finished now, and I can 1,000,000% recommend the veg chili. That was absolutely incredible. Loved it. The strawberry thing wasn't it was nice, but it was really strong. And then obviously the crackers and the bread was just as you'd expect. But all round, I'd give it an 8 out of 10. So we're now halfway to Tampa. We're just over the Atlantic Ocean right now. Dad's fast asleep, Jam's watching a film.
Hiya.
Just watching all the in-flight entertainment and doing some drawing for Coaster Gents Halloween. So we've got our next hot meal now, and it's a wrap, and the choice was chicken tikka or cheese and tomato. So I've opted for the chicken tikka. It comes in mango chutney as well by the look of it, so let's give it a try. So wrap all finished, and not even lying, that was one of the best wraps I've ever had. The mango chutney complemented the tikka so much.
Still go wrong with that.
Passport control. Waffle, and then I went.
What are we going to do?
So we've just finished with Alamo, and they're incredibly helpful staff because they just radioed to bring the car around. So we're walking down now. That was such a long train ride. It was so fun though. Shame about the weather, but you know it's Florida, so it's cleared up and now it's a blue sky, just as expected. So let's head outside and show you the vehicle that we've got for the next 40. So here is our vehicle. Are you ready to see this? Oh my life, we've got a bus. We've got a massive bus.
Oh my word.
Is it bad that I was shocked that the steering wheel was on the wrong side then?
No, I'm not shocked. Jump in, kids. Jump in, kids.
See in front of your face. Dad, don't piss about. That boat's going to be a little wet.
Is that one of the picture jets though?
I know, yeah. But they do sell food there. I know, yeah.
That's the drop tower?
I've never seen it that low. Oh, we're on roadwork. Oh shit, slow down.
Jesus Christ.
Slow down, we're at the plane.
So we've finally got into our room here at the Rosen Inn at Point Orlando, and it is absolutely perfect. We've got a desk area, 2 big double beds, a chair, a working air conditioning, safe, phone, TV, loads of storage space, and then then we've got a microwave, a fridge, the sink, the bathroom and everything, all your essentials that you need, and it's really nice and cozy. And I can't wait for our stay here at the Rosen Inn at Point Orlando.
Good evening, friends. Look around you. There is a special magic that flows through this land.